Hi everyone. Good evening dear students and parents. I am Vinay Patil, founder and director Skillfix, founder and managing partner Roots Education. Firstly, I stand in solidarity with 8th and 9th class students, unfortunately who missed their examinations, and those in 10th standard facing the constant postponement of the board examinations. I also understand the pain teachers and parents have gone through during these turbulent times due to COVID-19. In fact, I was upset when many students sent me messages on Instagram telling me due to the stress due to lockdown. It must be hard for anyone to attend the Stress Buster program that gives you the confidence to deal with examinations and then not to give an exam at all. That was pretty strange. But it was indeed wonderful to inspire the students of 8th, 9th, 10th in around 25 schools in the month of January and February 2020 through the Stress Buster program. Post these programs, I was bombarded with lots of appreciative messages by faculty, management, parents and students alike via Instagram and other social media channels. One common question everyone was asking was what was there in the talk of just 60 minutes that the children had the best realization. I got feedback that some students started studying sincerely. A few started concentrating really well. A few acquired good habits, and most importantly, a few started respecting parents and teachers like never before. My answer to those questions could only be that my experience and my genuine concern for the students made me connect with the students intricately through my talk. During these 2 months, I had extensive discussion with parents, teachers, students, principals, and educationists. And trust me, I could analyze that even though everybody's intention towards helping the students were right, the approach had taken a bad hit. Many parents started contacting me to start a program for their children since only 60 minutes, mark my words, only 60 minutes had brought about a true transformation in those children. Being a leadership coach, NLP practitioner and a corporate trainer, I started actually working on these lines. After constant messages and recommendations by the parents and students, I along with my team launched Roots Education with a mission statement of every student matters. We created a program to not only help students score better marks and help them with the academics, but also help in personality development by uplifting their self-esteem and self-confidence through activity-based learning. And we at Roots believe in every student regardless of their percentages. Some unique things about Roots are, let me make it very clear, only students below 70% qualify for admissions in our institution. And let me repeat once again for you, students below 70% qualify for admissions in our institution. And we work on a beautiful model called 3M model. The first M being methodology. Our young and energetic and passionate tutors, they have adopted various methodologies so that every student can understand the concepts crystal clear. And we have a set of 5 mentors who work day in and day out creating a map, different maps for individual students. And finally the mindset, because I personally, being an NLP practitioner, firmly believe 90% of most of the things is due to the subconscious mind, the programming of subconscious mind. And we have combined these 3 M's to get the best out of every student. That's the reason every student matters. So, I invite all the parents, students, and even teachers to come to our center located in Basveshwar Nagar post this lockdown to understand how we have actually devised the concepts to help them and their kids who are in high school. If 1 hour, again let me repeat it, if 1 hour could create a good change, be assured that I and my team can transform your child in the next 1 year. In fact, I am forming a fabulous 40 for each class of 8th, 9th and 10th grade students of all state, CBSE and ICSE board. That is 40 students. Mark this number, 40 students who will be mentored by me and my team into confident individuals with better marks. So, I wish to see all you lovely folks soon, but since 2 weeks are remaining for the lockdown and we have started with very limited seats, you can contact this number to get more information. We are going to have a great time together. I promise you once again. Trust me, together we are going to build our children in the best possible way. See you. This is Vinay Patil signing off. Best wishes.